Assalamualikum. Welcome everyone. Today we will try to tell about high calcium foods. Calcium is an essential mineral that plays a vital role in the health and maintenance of bones, teeth, muscles, and nerves. Adequate intake of calcium-rich foods is important for the body to function properly. Here are some examples of high calcium foods. Dairy products. Milk, yogurt, and cheese are excellent sources of calcium. For example, 1 cup of milk contains about 300 milligrams of calcium. Leafy greens. Vegetables such as kale, spinach, and collard greens are great sources of calcium. For example, 1 cup of cooked spinach contains about 240 milligrams of calcium. Fortified foods. Many foods are fortified with calcium, such as orange juice, tofu, and cereal. Fish. Certain types of fish, such as salmon and sardines, are high in calcium. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, sesame seeds, and chia seeds are good sources of calcium. Beans and lentils. These are also a good source of calcium. For example, 1 cup of cooked black beans contains about 120 milligrams of calcium. It is important to note that the amount of calcium in a food can vary depending on the brand and preparation method. In addition to consuming calcium-rich foods, it is also important to ensure that you have adequate vitamin D, which helps the body absorb calcium. Thank you very much for being with us. Click the subscribe button next to get the best videos. Awesome.